going to Blue Water today, and it's actually really sunny. Yay! Yeah. I think I'm gonna get these two, the Midnight Library and Hamnet. I've also heard of this one, and even this one. Hey guys, so I'm in England and I'm in my car, my little baby Mini. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna drive it for the first time properly. We've got to go to the day 2 test center, which isn't too far away, but I'm gonna have to drive on the motorway, and yeah, Malta doesn't have motorways. One sec, my dad's coming. So I just got my car cleaned, and we're ready to go, and then we're gonna go to the gym. There's this really cool gym in Thurrock. It's by Everlast, I think. Really cool. And then I'm gonna go to Callum's. I haven't seen him in 6 weeks. We've been apart for 6 weeks. How crazy is that? Anyway, let's go.
I need my rest every day. You gotta do what you say. I know she like me, wanna be wifey. Shorty was all on my page. Catching and making a place. Catching and making a place. Go make 100 a day. Only need one OBJ. Know that some homies I hate. Know they won't say to my face. Catching and making a place. Catching and making a place. I need my rest every day. Catching and making a place.
Okay, is he really your boyfriend if he doesn't hang up a picture of you and stick it on his mirror? Oh, I love it. Hey guys, look who I have with me.
Hi.
Are you gonna say anything? Let's do that again.
I don't know. What do you want me to say?
Hi.
What up with it?
Yay, we're back. I'm back in England, and we are matching outfits today. We're wearing our dungarees, and guess what we're doing today?
We're charity shopping.
Our favourite hobby.
It's the only thing we do together.
It is the only
Other
thing.
than that, we don't talk to each other, really.
Not really. But yeah, it was just raining really hard, and now the sun's come out.
So hard.
I'm actually sweating. Let's go charity shopping.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I probably could have gone a bit further forward. Do you like the pound?
No, you keep it. You found it. Now.
All of my other pounds.
Yay.
What are you checking out the fit?
Yes, we are. The fits. This isn't really the town that you vlog in, but it's the first time for everything. I'm gonna embarrass him in his own hometown.
Oh, I don't know anyone anymore.
You never know. The jacket is still there. Yay. That's so cool. Has potential. Same. I'm glad we both got something.
I know. And I'm borrowing that jumper, whether you like it or not.
If you can get into it.
I mean, it was an extra large.
Was it? Oh yeah.
And I feel a little bit cheated, not gonna lie, because it was in the men's section.
Yeah.
And like, you know.
And you didn't see it.
No, I wasn't finished.
that's off.
Yeah.
That's off. What? Even there.
It was worth seeing, wasn't it?
They're all off.
I think they're all off.
Oh my god. I love that guy.
Turn up your alarm clock. We won't need it in the morning. We won't wake up. Just hold up all your problems.
Oh, I got an actual dog waiting in the window. I thought it was a mannequin.
Daylight turns to twilight. If you feel like you wanna go all night.
Lion's mane, reishi, chaga, turkey tail. Oh my god, yeah. They're all really good.
Go and have a look.
Sun arrived. We don't have to.
Okay, so I got the jacket. Super nice. Jumper, Ralph Lauren in the men's section. Yeah, 50p classic. This beauty. Look at that. $4.50. Yeah, let me tell you the prices. So £7, £6, 50p, and $4.50. Crazy. And then I did just get a few makeup bits which I needed. Foundation by Elf, because I got their concealer and I really liked it, so I just got another one. And a blush, and they are animal free testing, so I really like them and they're good quality. Hey guys, so I just thought I would check in, give a little quick update on what's happening. It's a little bit echoey over here. So yeah, it's October. Crazy. The weather is definitely resembling October right now. It's rainy, grey and cloudy. I kind of miss it though, I do like it, but slightly depressing because I'm not used to it. Yeah, so today's Saturday. We've just been chilling out today because tonight we're going to the cinema and we're gonna watch the new James Bond movie. I'm so excited, you have no idea. We're just having like a bit of a chill day today. I was editing my vlog. I'm a little bit behind because of all the traveling that I've been doing. And yeah, I plan on finishing my book. I'm right at the end. Right at the end. I'm so, oh my god. It's such a good book. I don't want it to end, so I'm kind of like dragging it out a little bit. So I'm going to be in England for a little bit now, probably about 3 weeks until I go back. And it's been a little bit hard, I'm not going to lie, with all the moving around, not having much stability, not knowing what my future is going to entail exactly. I still don't know what's going to happen like next month. And I just want to bring up something that I find really interesting. I'm a big believer in our pain in our body shows us what is going on mentally, and I feel like we attract certain injuries and they're trying to tell us something. And this is this whole idea was introduced by Louise Hay. I've got her book. I'll pop up her little book here. It's called, oh, what's it called? Heal Your Life, I think. It's in Malta at the moment, I don't have it. He kind of explains how different areas of the body have different meanings. So let's say your right knee is hurting. That may mean that you have a problem moving forward, you struggle moving forward. So that is gonna manifest as a pain, and a physical, real pain in your body. And it's really interesting knowing all this information, and then having a sort, knowing I also have instability in my life right now, and then having back pain as well as that. Back pain also resembles instability. It also resembles like financial instability, which is fair enough. Like, I'm very much going into the real world right now and I have to look for a job, and I don't have a job, and I've got all this pressure. Not that anyone's putting the pressure on me, but I have the pressure of putting it on myself to get like a job or whatever. So it's really interesting that it's manifested as back pain, even though I know exactly how I hurt my back. It was doing deadlifts, but subconsciously I allowed myself to go that extra bit to hurt myself. Anyway, it's just a concept I thought I'd bring up because I find it really interesting, and if you want to look up more on it, go look up Louise Hay. And that's all I wanted to share today. I'm gonna get on with my day and I'm gonna finish my book, and then we're going out later. Yay, so excited. Okay, bye.
I never understood why somebody would just hate you for no reason. You don't even know the person, but you hate them. I never understood why somebody would just hate you for no reason. You don't even know the person, but you hate them. I never understood why somebody would just hate you for no reason. You don't even know the person, but you hate them.
Fit check. So what are we wearing? We're both wearing something we
Charity shop finds.
Yeah, charity shopping. So I'm wearing my jumper and you're wearing your jacket.
My big old
Jaqueta. What do you call it?
tweed jacket, I suppose.
I like it. Cute. Okay, so we're off to the cinema and we're gonna go watch James Bond. I'm excited. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I never understood why somebody would just hate you for no reason. You don't even know the person, but you hate them. I never understood why somebody would just hate you for no reason. You don't even know the person, but you hate them.
Oh, that's really cute.
I never understood why somebody would just hate you for no reason.
Who's a good doggy? Who's a good doggy? Finny Pooh! Walkies!